Hi friends, welcome back to Lomedics. This lecture is on auscultation of heart sound. What is auscultation? Auscultation is the process of listening of heart sound or lung sound. Here, cardiac auscultation points are aortic area, pulmonary area, ERB'S point, tricuspid area and mitral area. Aortic area, it is located at the second intercostal space, right sternal edge. Pulmonary area, it located at the second intercostal space at left sternal edge. You can also hear the pulmonary murmur, BSD murmur and continuous murmur of PDA. ERB'S point, it is located at the third intercostal space, left sternal border. It is the center point of heart and you can hear both S1 and S2 sound here. Tricuspid area is located at the fourth intercostal space, lower left sternal edge. You can also hear tricuspid and aortic murmur here. Mitral area, it is located at the fifth intercostal space, midclavicular line. This one is the clavicle, this is the midclavicular line, which means 9 cm away from the midline. Thank you.